This presentation provides an introduction to the Powerline Technologies' innovative PowerGate Smart Light Intelligent Street Lighting solution. Every town and city in every country has streetlights. They're an essential part of everyday life, providing safety and security. In the United States and Europe alone, electricity costs over $65 billion a year, generating more than 300 million tons of CO2 emissions. Worldwide, governments are under pressure to reduce electricity costs and emissions to create a carbon-positive environment and to meet the Kyoto Treaty objectives. Introducing smart electronics to street lighting is an obvious opportunity to contribute to this. The street light smart electronics market is expected to experience significant growth over the next 5 years. By 2015, it is predicted that 90% of all street lights will have smart electronics, and the market will be worth over $10 billion. There will be significant opportunities for innovative smart electronics and networking. Replacing the traditional streetlight ballast with smart electronics will extend lamp life, reduce power consumption, and enable lighting control, reducing streetlight energy costs and achieving total savings of up to 60%. In the United Kingdom, local authorities are under significant pressure from the central government to save money and to drive down carbon emissions. In many cases, the reduction of emissions is a legally binding requirement. Many UK councils have demonstrated savings and reductions in emissions by managing the availability of street lighting. The PowerGate Smart Light requires a communications network that is real-time, two-way, reliable and independent of the telephone network. The PowerGate Smart Light solution uses the existing electricity network infrastructure as a communications network to provide lighting control, maintenance and management. The challenges to achieving reductions in lighting costs are not insignificant. Councils have tried switching street lights off between midnight and sunrise. However, there is a lot of public concern about safety, and councils are concerned about the legal implications. The smarter solution is to manage the street lights remotely. The Powerline Technologies PowerGate Smart Light Intelligent Street Lighting solution addresses this challenge. The PowerGate Smart Light solution implements a hybrid fibre powerline architecture which uses a combination of fibre optic and electricity cables to implement a network over the electricity infrastructure. Broadband powerline communication is used to distribute a broadband data signal over the low voltage electricity network, communicating with up to 300 streetlights. A broadband symmetrical network means that there is true real-time communication with multiple streetlights, allowing for innovative smart applications to be implemented. A smart light control node will communicate with up to 300 smart light units installed in each streetlight using broadband powerline communications over the electricity network, and will communicate with the central control and management center over a fibre connection. In each streetlight there will be a low-cost intelligent smart light unit which will combine latest digital electronics technology with broadband powerline communications and innovative micro-electro-mechanical systems MEMS technology to replace the traditional electromechanical ballast. Smart light can be implemented on both underground and overhead electricity networks. Smart light features: light control to dim or switch lights on demand or on a time-of-day basis. Light control can be automatic or managed remotely in real time from a control center. Advanced maintenance to monitor streetlight status, allowing immediate replacement, preventative maintenance and reduced truck rolls. Energy management will allow electricity use to be monitored and controlled in real time. In addition, the PowerGate Smart Light Communications Network can be used to provide the electricity company with smart grid management of its network and assets. The indicative price based on volume sales for the deployment of 100,000 streetlights will be $30 million. However, the implementation of Smart Light will reduce annual street lighting operating costs by $8 million and will deliver significant ongoing reductions in CO2 emissions. The return on investment based on reduced operating costs alone will be under 3.5 years. In conclusion, Smart Light reduces lighting cost, carbon emissions and maintenance, introduces real-time energy management and uses the existing electricity infrastructure, all of which contribute to a carbon-positive society and help governments worldwide to meet legally binding carbon emissions targets. Thank you for your time.